Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Voicemod with OBS Studio for free. So all you need to do is press on this plus sign for sources to add a source and then choose audio input capture. Name it something like Voicemod or something relevant and then choose the microphone voice mode and then press on OK. I already set it up. Now what you need to do is to just turn off your mic because it will be taking directly from voice mode 1. Because it will be directly taking from voice mode mic.
Prayers. And now we are testing it. So this is the voice that you will hear. Once you choose your voice mode, the voice embeds in. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.